Hello guys, welcome back to lineup. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fold down back seat in Lexus ES350. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So if you're wondering if you can actually fold down the back seat or the rear seats here in a Lexus ES350 here, there are a few things that you need to know. Now, in this case, the Lexus ES350 unfortunately does not have the capability of actually folding the rear seats or the back seats on it, which is something really unfortunate here. So if we are going to refer to different threads out there, so in this case we actually found this thread here. So in this case, according to people, the Lexus ES350 does not in fact have the capability to fold their rear seats. Now there are close models that are quite close to it, like for example the Toyota Avalon here, which is quite close to the ES350, but in this case, although the Toyota Avalon here does have the option to fold the rear seats, the ES350 unfortunately does not. So the direct answer to that is you won't be able to fold it back or fold it down, which in this case something really unfortunate, but it is what it is here. But if you're just thinking on buying one, well, obviously you may want to find something similar to that, which is in this case Toyota Avalon is the closest one that we could actually see here. So yeah, so in this case that's about it. Hopefully this video is able to help you like and subscribe to your lineup. Thank you for watching.